Hello guys, Victor Isibor here. My name is Victor Isibor. I've been exposing scams on YouTube for almost 3 years now. I slowed down from making reviews because I was tired. Every website people ask me to look at, it ends up being a scam. So I got tired and I got bored. So I decided to focus on the solution and not the problem. Let me give people legit opportunities. If you're looking for a legit opportunity, send me a message via the WhatsApp link in the description of this video. I will give you legit. All right? Please be careful. There are scammers pretending to be me. Please, Victor Isibor will never ask you to send him money. Okay? Please, Victor Isibor does not advertise, invest today, make money in the next 24 hours. All right? So be careful who you're interacting with. Now, moving on. They said I should review FCB09.com. Like you can see the website here, FCB09.com. I saw another FCB, FCB758 or thereabouts.com. So I'm wondering, why are they putting number in front of the FCB? Different opportunities, number in front of it. Okay, I said, let me look at it. Already, I am seeing task. I'm seeing VIP. Already, it's beginning to look familiar, but I don't want to draw conclusions yet. All right, but if I click on this VIP, task and withdrawal and recharge and the rest of them, they ask me to register. I cannot begin to register for every website I see on the internet, so that these guys will not go and hack my email. All right, so I want to click on company profile. When I click on company profile, we are going to be able to look at what they say they offer. Now, they said it is foot, cone, and building. That is the full meaning of the FCB. Foot, cone, and building. Remember, foot, cone, and building. So one of the largest advertising agency networks in the world. Say it was founded in the year 1873 in Chicago. Now, they said that they are headquartered in New York, USA. Okay. They are headquartered in New York, USA. All right. Now, they said they are expanding their whatever to Nigeria. Let's go back to the home page. Now, you are seeing Naira here. So, obviously, their base currency is in Naira. Okay? Naira. And I'm wondering, all these white people, this column that I circled, all these white people that they claim are making this money, why are these white people spending Naira? Maybe I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Maybe Naira is now the currency that they use in Chicago, in New York. Okay, it's been a while I watched the news. Naira is now the global currency that everybody is using, all these white people. You see, the pictures of the white people are being repeated. Just watch as it's scrolling up. Same people, random pictures like that. Wow. Now, this already looks familiar. Trust me, I have been exposing scams for a long time on the internet. So, every new scam that comes my way, it rings a bell because format, they call it format. Let me write it so that you know. Even Yahoo boys, that's what they call their style. Their scamming style, they call it format. Okay? So when you understand a particular format, no matter the name of the scam, when you see that format in a new scam under a new name, you know this is another scam. So don't look at the name of the business, guys. I have told you, don't look at the name of the business. Look at the format. Look at the format. Because I'm treating my YouTube like a way to teach you people how to expose scams. Victor Isibor will not review all the scams that are available on the internet. Okay? The Bible says, by their fruits you shall know them. So we are not going to show you all of them. We're just going to show you the fruit. So that when you see that fruit, no matter the packaging, you will know. Okay? This FCB09.com, the modus operandi, how is it different from INSME, my people? INSME, that collapsed December 2020. How is it? It was the king. INSME is the king of this format, the first of its kind. Bring money, get a package. We assign tasks to you in Naira. Then when you do those tasks, the more money you make, we'll send you random links, share it on your social media page, then money accrues to you. You advertise. I've never seen a case where people make money for advertising without conversion. Just advertise. Whether the market sell or it doesn't sell, will give you commission from the air. Yes, that is what these guys have been doing. And all this same format, I was the one that exposed Fire VIP. Fire VIP is not different from this one. Have a package, subscribe for an advertising package, get paid on a daily basis for sharing adverts on your social media. Fire VIP, I exposed them. I exposed Huge Evers. I exposed Jumcat, Mandarin Plaza, Twitter Follow. All these, even one called Jumcat and Jumia. One claims to be Jumia. Imitation scam. I have exposed all this. All these platforms I mentioned, they have the same modus operandi. But okay, hold up. Victor, you are not just going to say, oh, because of the format alone, you are concluding. Okay, now let me take you back to the company profile. FCB, Fute Kone Building, and they said 1873 they were established. I am suspecting something. I will not conclude until I show you my Google check of FCB.com. See, FCB.com. The FCB is a real company. They exist. They truly exist. But they have nothing to do with collecting money and paying out people in Naira. Okay? They have a website, FCB.com, without any 09, 758 or 419 in front of it. This is a classic case of imitation scam. Just the way some unscrupulous elements claim to be Victor Isibor asking you for money. Guys, Victor Isibor will never ask you to send him money. Okay? Victor Isibor will never advertise invest today, get paid tomorrow platform. No. If you need legitimate ways to make money on the internet, send me a DM via the WhatsApp link in the description of this video. All right? Now, if you look at Wikipedia even talks about this company, Fute, Kone, and Building. They are a legitimate company doing their business. They have nothing to do with bring money, we will pay you. This is imitation scam. They will claim to be what they are not. And Nigeria is the fertile ground where everybody is bringing their scams. Everybody is trying to scam Nigerians. That is why you see, no matter the country they say they come from, their base currency of operation is in Naira because they are targeting Nigerians. And I think it's about time that the federal government of Nigeria, begin to work hand in hand with web hosting companies. And what would they do? They start looking for the description of the websites that they want to register. Like this website now, you claim to be Foot, Cone, and Building. You want to register websites with me. Then I'll do my due diligence as a web hosting company. I find out that there is an original company somewhere who is not in any affiliation with you, and you want to soil their name by collecting money from people. Then I will block you from creating that website. If you want to scam in your own name. Don't drag other people's name into it. It's as simple as that. So this is a scam, guys. So no matter the FCB anybody tells you about, FCB 666, FCB 007, FCB 911, 419, it is a scam. An imitation scam that is meant to take your money away at the end of the day. My name is Victor Isibor. I'm done with this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be sharing legitimate opportunities as they come and also exposing scams to the best of my ability. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next one.